I'll start recording. Let's create a simple truck or car. So for that, what you have to do, go to top view first. On the right hand side, our right hand side, we have to create a simple, means a curve. Okay. Go to create curve tool, CV curve tool. CV stands for control vertex. Okay. So just create one curve like this. Right click, go to control vertex. Make sure the first vertex is snap to grid and the last vertex is snap to grid. Okay. Okay. So we created it something like this, one simple, one small curve. Then what I'll do, I'm selecting this, I duplicate this, raise the curve up to here. Okay, a bit. Understood? Then after this, see we got two curves. Select both the curve. Select both the curve. Go to surface, surface loft. I got the object like this. Then here section spans is there. I'm just making it something like this, 3. So you can see the model here. The model is there, which here seems black color, but basically it should be reverse. Okay. Select the model. It should be like this. Inside it should be dark color, outside it should be gray color. That's how it should be. So what I did, I go to surface, reverse direction. Just I reversed. Earlier it was something like this. Okay. Here outside dark and inside gray. So I just reversed it. Okay. So now this is fine. Then after this, I delete the curve. So here, I want scale XYZ to be 1 only. So that's why freeze transformation. Modify freeze transformation I did so that it's all default values. These are the default value. Okay. Then what I'll do, I'll come to side view. Okay, let's do one thing. I'm gonna duplicate this first. I want to duplicate this. Edit, duplicate special option box. This is XYZ. XYZ. Scale is there, no? Scale 1 is there, no? This is X. Make it -1. Duplicate special. Okay. So you got like this. Understood? Any doubt is there up to here? Okay, it's quite simple. Okay. After this, what I'll do, I select this. Right click, isopalm. There is something called isopalm. What are isopalm? Isopalm are imaginary dotted line which helps to add mesh. Okay. So select this isopalm. means that the top one, see the top one is selected, but you cannot move that. You cannot move even if you press W and move, it is not possible. You have to go to isopalm, select this, then shift select this object. Whenever you select, whenever you do multiple selection, you need to hold shift select, shift select the object, right click, go to isopalm, shift select this isopalm, select this isopalm, select this isopalm, go to surface, again loft. Now this object has been reversed, surface, reverse direction. Now